Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I was given an opportunity to test out some cute canvas bags from Wiskf, W-I-S-K-F. And if you like what I'm about to show you, you can go over there to their website and get a 5% discount code, Tina05 off. And I'll have that all in the description box to get you right to their website. So you're ready to see what the 3 bags I picked out. And they are made nice. I've looked at these once I got them. I've been sick, so I decided to put this off. The first one, you all know who watch me, I love Van Gogh. And this is the first canvas one I picked. I love it. They're nice size. I mean, it's well over, how big is this? At least 14 inches by 14 or longer than that. Pretty big. Sturdy handle. Well made. The inside looks like. Printed on both sides. Love it. Love that. I'm so happy with that. And me, I may not even use it as a bag because I may actually frame this. I think it'd be cool. So, but I did buy one that I am going to be using. I thought this was so cute. It's a Snoopy Van Gogh. I thought it was so adorable. Snoopy. And the Van Gogh. So I picked this one up too. I mean, the handle, look at the stitching. It is not coming off. These are really good bags. Both printed on both sides. Really well made. But yeah, I saw this and I thought it was so cute. So I grabbed that one as well. And then the next one I picked up for Diamond to haul her bags in for school this year. My daughter, who's a college student, thought maybe she could use an extra bag for her books or something, or just to have it in her vehicle, just in case. I got her, and she's a big Harry Potter fan, so I got her this one, Hogwarts School. So cute. Well made. Nice handle, and it's a good size handle, so you can put it over your shoulder and have plenty of room for it. So I got Diamond to Hogwarts School ones. This is her. I thought, I'll get her for school this year, because she's going to a whole different school this year for her last 2 years of her education. So I thought, and it's a big campus she's on, so I thought maybe she could use an extra little bag. I don't know, but the thought's there, right? So if you're interested, check out these bags at Wiskf. Don't forget the 5% discount, Tina05 off. Save a little money. And as always, and I do know that if I remember correctly, let me look real quick. And got it up. If you buy 4, you get 1 free. So, they're well-made bags. I will have all the information linked in the description box below, so go check them out, everybody. And you know what I always say. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.